Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
200 years ago, Hakka immigrants with the surname of Zhang brought a religious icon of the goddess Minzu Gongwang to Taiwan. Now, each year, on the 8th day of the 4th lunar month, Hakkas, surnamed Zhang, go to the goddess's temple in Shuiko village near Taipei County, Sanjur, to pray for a good year ahead.
位于三芝的水口民族公王庙，奉祀民主公王，是福建永定客家人的守护神。200多年前，江姓移民来台时，请了一尊神像随行，之后为求平安丰收，在新庄村建庙供奉。每年农历4月8日的忌日，江姓客家移民及附近居民都会来庙中参加祭典。Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
Joseph，你有没有吃过捏板？
捏板，什么呀？捏板？
不是捏哦，
要捏什么？
捏板。
捏板不知道。
捏板就要用糯米捏粗做嘅，底部度薄了，早的萝卜丝，懂好吃咯。
懂好吃了，真的好吃，是不是？
对啊。
那到底里面什么萝卜丝、糯米还有什么都听不懂哎。
糯米就是糯米。
Oh, Normi. Okay, so Alice is introducing this delicacy to me, and it's made of Normi, which is rice.
捏草做的。
捏草，什么捏草？
艾草。
艾草 ，that's mugwort. Okay, and what else? 最后这个很好笑，萝卜丝。
萝卜丝。
我还以为是螺丝起子。
那是罗赖吧？
罗赖吧。萝卜丝 ，that's a radish.
不过要用早嘅萝卜丝包在底部度哦。
早嘅萝卜丝要早一点收成的萝卜丝吗？
没早一点收成的萝卜丝是干的萝卜丝。
早 is 干，早 is dry. Okay, so you got to use dry radish. All right, so if I go to a Hakka village, I want to order this next time. 下次我跟你一起去的话，我要点2个这个叫什么爱板是不是？爱板。OK, 我要怎么说？
我要买2隻愛板。
我要買2隻。A 板，A 板不是 A 板哦，是 A 板。One more time， 我要買2隻 A 板。
錯，我要買2隻 A 板。
Okay, there you go. Again, this is called an A 板, and it is made of rice,
糯米,
mugwort,
椰草,
and also dried radish.
早的蘿蔔絲。
There we go. That's pretty difficult, but I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this delicacy that is made of mugwort, radish, and rice. Well, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
是母太家。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.